At first, it sounds like an exciting dream. But what would actually happen if we tried? Let's find out. Humans leave Earth to colonize Jupiter, the largest planet. Their spacecraft braves the storms to reach a habitat. Humans leave Earth to colonize Jupiter, the largest planet. Their spacecraft braves the storms to reach a habitat. Jupiter is not like Earth. It's a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. That means it doesn't have a solid surface to stand on. If you jumped off a spacecraft, you wouldn't land. You would sink endlessly into thick clouds, deeper and deeper, surrounded by swirling gases. Gravity on Jupiter is another huge problem. Jupiter's gravity is 260 kilograms on Earth. You would weigh 150 kilograms there. Gravity on Jupiter is 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. If you weigh 60 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh 150 kilograms there. Your muscles and bones would struggle to support your body. Even standing, walking, or lifting anything. Then there are the storms. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a hurricane so massive it could swallow Earth whole. Winds there can reach over 400 miles per hour. Trying to survive near this storm would be like standing in a tornado that never ends. The entire atmosphere is in constant motion, with enormous lightning storms more powerful than anything on Earth. Temperature is another killer. But as you sink deeper into Jupiter, the pressure and temperature increase. The core is estimated to be hotter than the surface of the sun, over 20,000 degrees Celsius, so it's freezing on top. Breathing is impossible. Jupiter's atmosphere has almost no oxygen. Even then, life could only last for a few hours, not days. But here's a hopeful twist. Jupiter itself may be uninhabitable, but its moons might hold promise. Europa, in particular, may even harbor simple life. Scientists are already planning missions to explore these moons. Space exploration is not just about landing on planets. It's about understanding the limits of life and appreciating the rarity of Earth. Jupiter reminds us how fragile life is, how special our home planet is, and how exciting our future could be in space. Living on Jupiter itself? Not yet, but dreaming about it, that is the first step toward humanity's journey to the stars. And maybe one day, humans will find a way to survive among the giants.